Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Yorkshire burrito. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need large, freshly baked Yorkshire puddings, your favorite roast meat, perhaps succulent beef or tender chicken, and a selection of roasted vegetables. Don't forget a rich, piping hot gravy. It's crucial for that authentic flavor. Having everything prepped makes the assembly process smooth and enjoyable. Now for the exciting part, assembly. Gently warm your large Yorkshire pudding so it becomes soft and easy to work with. Next, lay a generous amount of your perfectly cooked roast meat, sliced thinly, right in the center. Then, pile on your delicious roasted vegetables, like crispy potatoes, sweet carrots, or tender parsnips. This creates a hearty base for your incredible burrito. The gravy is key. Liberally drizzle a good amount of your hot, rich gravy over all the fillings inside the Yorkshire pudding. This adds moisture and incredible flavor. Now, carefully fold the two opposite sides of the pudding inwards, over the ingredients. Then, starting from one end, tightly roll the entire pudding to create a compact, delicious burrito shape. It's a bit like wrapping a gift. Your magnificent Yorkshire burrito is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately to savor the warmth and freshness. For an extra treat, you can always offer a small pot of additional hot gravy on the side for dipping. This unique and incredibly satisfying meal is a fantastic twist on a classic roast dinner. Get ready to impress your taste buds and your guests with this delightful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.